Hello, good morning. How are you guys doing? So, we're going on an adventure today. Going to Hikurangi to catch up with some friends, Will and other people, and this adventure might turn out a bit different. I'm going there on my Trumpy. But yeah, then I'm switching bikes, and to see what's happening, you just have to watch. Let's go. Running juice and air tire first, and I keep smashing my camera. All of you saw it, man. Every lens, all the glass on the camera is totally chewed up now. So we are in Will's workshop. This is his beast. And I'm riding this one.
How far?
Princess, eh? Perfect.
Where are you on? I'm alright, I think I'm used to mine. Yeah.
Holy kid. Let's go.
All the way up.
So these bikes are New Zealand POSTIE bikes. Will won them in Auckland auction and brought 3 of them back home. These are Honda Super Cub NBC 110cc bikes, I think. They're doing also 90cc's, the older ones, but I think this is 110. And yeah, there were some minor repairs needed, but he fixed it all, and now we're just having fun. The red bikes, the full fairing ones, are stock as the Posties had them, and Will's riding his highly modified Postie bike.
Come slow up this way because the last time, right? Come slow around this way because the last time more than cyclists.
I almost took him out.
I come around the corner and I'm like, that thing's going to be close.
On our last ride, we had cyclists, we had cars, and then there was a load of walkers, weren't there? All 3 of us nearly took them out. So.
My front wheel slipped into him. Like we were so close together, and I was just passing by, and then my front wheel just go up.
Oh,
and you could see his face go like, holy fuck, sorry bro.
That's exactly what happened to me last time on this bit.
I don't even know what gear I'm in. No idea. Oh, it's pretty tough changing.
All forward is down, isn't it?
Huh?
So it should, yeah, and then
All the way down?
yeah, all the way down on the front.
Down to neutral.
Yeah.
Not changing down?
feels it, doesn't it?
No, I am. It does, but going up is easy.
Yeah.
Going down, you have to give it a bit of a pressure.
Alright.
And kind of maybe wait for the wheels to kind of put pressure in and then go.
This was a little bit
'Cause you
down,
was
wasn't it? Yeah,
funny.
yeah.
There's a sea over there. Hello. The machines.
We'll put a bigger engine in there, Lifen, I think 125 on 150cc. But he said that you have to be very careful putting a bigger engine in, because if you do so, you have a higher power and there is more torque, and you will stress everything else, your bearings, your sprockets, your chain, your everything. So it's not that simple just shoving a bigger engine in. You have to adjust everything else just so you don't fall apart.
6 kilometers to Towai, 14k to Kawakawa the way. There is a car park. And this is a Terua Peka Peka side, alright, our side. Look at the view from up here, beautiful. Yes, let's have a look at that.
This bike became real popular at the moment. There is massive events all around New Zealand. In South Island there is Sid's Run, which is all the different scooters and stuff, and early January there is some off-road bike ride of a bunch of postie bikes across South Island gravel roads. I think some people ride this bike stock, but generally they modify them, put the higher shocks in, put a different tires on, and then they go some crazy places, like they cross the rivers and bridges and tunnels, and they go through some deep water. It's crazy stuff. It's end of January and Will is down south at the moment, and I've been watching his photographs, and man, they go some crazy terrain. Big rocks, up muddy hills, and freaking waist deep waters. So what these bikes can do is pretty cool. They are not super fast on the road, but on a gravel you're going to have lots of fun.
Well, supposedly Rua Peka Peka was the most sophisticated fighting pa that ever has been built. It used trenches and strong palisades to withstand the assault of muskets and heavy artillery. Pretty cool. And right on top of the hill. So they have a view of everything, everywhere. Wow. What a place. Yeah, and there is a big totem pole or whatever you wanna call it. And yeah, you would have a view all over the land around. Pretty cool strategic placement to see 360 out of here. Ah, And riding a postie bike is fun. It's so light, doesn't have any power, but we can still hoon pretty quick through the gravel. I haven't been on a gravel for a long time, so it's been pretty tough going, to be honest. The guys are hooning ahead, I'm trying to keep up with a little skinny front wheel with the road tire slips on the gravel quite a bit. So I'm very tentative and scared, to be fair. But still fun, always smile on the face. So yeah, okay, let's get back to it.
Yeah, for the weight of them, they are really easy to maneuver, and I think with a bit of a grippy tire it would be so much more fun too.
We got a casualty. Will lost his headlight. It fell off, and then we rode over it and destroyed. It's gone.
You can buy these bikes brand new for, I know, I just looked it up, about $7,500, 125cc bike, but if you're lucky you can score them as a discarded motorcycles from the Postie fleet for 400 or 500 bikes as damaged, but that would be just like broken lever or needs change oil or something, little thing, clutch slipping. So you can score them pretty cheap if you are in the right place, right time, and you know what to look for. I had a look around, but there is not much online at the moment. Considering to getting one in the future and kitting it out to explore gravel. This is way more fun than going on the GS 1200. Even going on these loose pine needles, the bike was holding track really well. You can't do that on a big heavy adventure bike. So yeah, I was very surprised. This was very much fun.
Well, and that's it. We home. What a little jaunt on little bikes. After riding with 200 kilometers on the Postie bikes, and I used, well, we probably used 3 liters per 200 kilometers. It's pretty crazy. something to say for a little bike, eh? And on a gravel you run pretty quick, but you get on a main road and it's pretty slow. There is no way you can pass anything or do, you know, any shenanigans. But on the gravel, good fun. Yeah. So those Postie bikes, and then sitting back onto my Triumph, I felt like I sat into a car. It was monster bike compared to Postie. Anyway, I'm back home. This was just a little starting riding, just fun event, fun little thing I couldn't say no to. And Will was really lovely to borrow me a bike. I'm thinking, oh, I put the Triumph in quite well, eh? So close and it's not touching anything. Yep. It's called parking. Anyway, thank you for watching. Welcome to 2026. And this is probably not the first video I've posted, but never mind. And I shall see you next Friday. See you later.